This is Bosch's brand new GBH 18V-22X brushless SDS Plus drill. Now this is the upgrade on their already popular GBH 22 model, and this thing has boasted a seriously cool feature that you're going to want to check out. This SDS drill has a thing called one chuck. Now Ben, what is one chuck? Well guys, this is a seriously impressive bit of kit that lets you run SDS Plus, hex drill bits and straight shank drill bits all in a single chuck without any adapters. You can switch between the drill bits absolutely effortlessly, and this thing is just designed to do so many different jobs. Whether you're doing some seriously impressive braking with an SDS Plus point like this, whether you're down to a spade bit, a multi-construction bit, or even a HSS bit, this thing is the Swiss Army knife of SDS drills, and it will do it all without even having to put an adapter in there. How cool is that? Of course, this thing is a Bosch SDS drill, so it comes with all those amazing features you expect from your Bosch tools. It delivers up to 2 joules of impact energy, seriously heavy duty, good for all of those different jobs on tight. But also it has a shock absorbing handle on there, so even when you are doing the heavy duty stuff, you know that vibration isn't going to make it into your wrist and your arms. Really good for longevity and really good to keep you going for longer on the site as well. It's got a heavy duty metal depth stop on there, so you know whatever you're doing, that's going to stay nice and strong, and a 360-degree rotating handle, so when you are tackling those bigger jobs, you'll know you're going to get a solid grip on whatever you're working on. The drill even comes with a handy little LED light on the bottom there, so you know whatever you're doing, you're going to be able to see it nice and clearly as well. Perfect little addition. Bosch have clearly thought this one out, and I mean, the one chuck system is something that I've never seen before, and to be honest with you, it's so ingenious. How many times are you on site faffing around with different bits, having to switch deals or switch adapters? This thing does it all in one tool. That is Bosch's brand new SDS Plus, the GBH 18V-22X, and this is available soon at its.co.uk.